Now let's see heart. Generally we know we have a heart, human heart having 4 chambers. What is upper chambers called atria or atrium, and the lower chambers called what? Ventricle. Generally we know that atrium, ventricle, this is very important thing that you need to be keep in mind. uh, right atrium, left ventricle, right ventricle. And if you look at that, this left atrium and atrium, ventricle and ventricle. So this left atrium and the right atrium is separated by one septum, that is called interauricular septum. Both auricle means atrium only. So this left auricle and the right auricle are separated by interauricular septum. Similarly, the left ventricle and the right ventricle are separated by interventricular septum. Both generally they are given septum only, but this is the actual word. Okay, left atrium and both atrium, left atrium and right atrium is separated by one septum, that is called interauricular septum. Similarly, the right ventricle and the left ventricle is separated by interventricular septum. Clear everyone? It's very important. This is a one of the septum means separation. So whatever the blood is present in the left atrium, it will not mix with the right atrium. Similarly, whatever the blood is present in the left ventricle, that will not mix with the right ventricle. So for the separation we have septum. The septum present in between the left atrium and the right atrium is called what? Interauricular septum. And similarly, the septum present between the septum which is separating between the left ventricle and the right ventricle is called what? Interventricular septum. Easy words only. In between auricles, interauricular septum. In between ventricles, interventricular septum. Okay, look at it in the left side. This left atrium and the left ventricle. From top we have left atrium, at the bottom we have left ventricle. This left atrium and left ventricle is separated by one valve, and that valve is called the bicuspid valve. What is bicuspid valve? Spelling BICUSPID, bicuspid valve. And similarly, if you come to this our left side, that is the right part, the right atrium and the right ventricle. Okay, the right atrium and the right ventricle, they are separated by another valve that is called tricuspid valve. What is TRI? Tricuspid valve. So look at that. The left atrium and the left ventricle is separated by the bicuspid valve. Similarly, in the right atrium and the right ventricles are separated by tricuspid valve. Look at, we have only 4 chambers. Look at that. These chambers have, which means all there is a separation is there, because the right atrium and the left atrium is separated by interauricular septum. Similarly, the right ventricle and the left ventricle is separated by interventricular septum. Similarly, the left side and right side, look at that. The left atrium and the left ventricle is separated by bicuspid valve. Similarly, the right atrium and the right ventricle is separated by tricuspid valve. Okay, these valves are very important, because we will be study that these valves are, already I said before, valves are helping for the unidirectional, the straight flow of, because the blood will not move backwards, the forward movement, the unidirectional movement of the blood, this valves are helping. Now what is the function of that septum? Septum is helping avoiding the mixing of pure blood with the impure blood. We already know that what generally this left side and the right side. Okay, if you look at the diagram, the right side what we are seeing is actually the left atrium and left ventricle. Okay, actually this left side is always containing what? The pure blood. And when we come to this right side, the right atrium and the right ventricle, they are always containing what? Impure blood. So to avoiding the mixing of pure blood and impure blood, this septum is helping. What are the septums? Interauricular septum and interventricular septum. To avoiding the mixing of pure blood with the impure blood, this interauricular septum and the interventricular septum is helping. What is the function of this tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve? That valves are avoiding the preventing the backward movement of blood, or we can say which is helping to move the unidirectional movement of blood. Okay, for the unidirectional movement of blood, who is helping? This septum. Sorry, these valves, already I said before, valves are helping for the unidirectional movement, or which will prevent the backward movement. Mixing of impure and pure blood of the chambers, the mixing of the pure blood and the impure blood between the chambers are prevented by the interauricular septum and interventricular septum. So clear? So this is very very important. Actually this actually little advanced information on this one, but it will be very very helpful for your higher studies, because so this is the total structure of heart. Okay, we have 4 chambers, and look at that, these chambers are having so much protection between the septum, also from the valves. So clear?